everyone to our podcast where we talk about world literature and stories that still matter today. We're gonna hear a bunch of different opinions from two different people. I'm your host, Lance. Let's check it out. So Max, na-enjoy mo ba yung story?
Yes, I enjoyed the short story. Kasi it's meaningful. Tsaka ramdam mo yung bawat emosyon ng character sa story.
Okay. In simple terms, paano mo ma-describe yung isang storya sa isang tao na hindi niya pa narinig?
Well, it's about two couples na sinakripisyong mga bagay na meaningful para sa kanila.
Anong naisip mo kay Della? What do you think about Della as a character?
For me, Della is a very loving character. Selfless siya. At ready siyang ibenta yung book niya para kay Jim.
Anong naisip mo kay Jim as a character? If naisip mo kay Della na isa siyang selfless na person, what do you think about Jim?
Sa tingin ko naman, si Jim tahimik. Hindi siya masyadong nag-express ng emotion niya sa story. And kahit na hindi siya ganun ka-expressive sa feelings niya, alam niyang mahal niya pa rin yung, he still sacrifices.
What part of the story that stood out the most to you?
Siguro yung part na nag-exchange gifts na sila. No? Kasi doon makikita na kung gaano nila kamahal yung isa't isa sa isang malit na bagay na ginawa nila.
Ay. Anong na-feel mo sa ending? Masaya ka ba? Did you feel both? Did you feel anxious about the outcomes?
Paul, I think it's both. It's both happy and it's both sad at the same time. Kasi paano siya magiging masaya? Tanong natin. Masaya siya kasi nagbigay sila ng isang mahalagang bagay para sa isa't isa. Pero ang malungkot doon is paano nila magagamit yun kung wala ang kapares. Diba?
May matututunan ba yung other students na nabasa or napanood ito sa YouTube?
Of course. Why not, diba? The story teaches about hindi lamang pera ang pagmamahal. Kung hindi, dito mapapakita kung gaano mo kamahal ang isang tao kahit na konti lang ang pera na nasa iyo.
Alright. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. Now that's it for Maxine. Let's head over to Angela to hear her opinions about the story. When you first heard the story, ano yung reaction mo?
At first, parang imposible sa atin na intindihin yung story. Pero habang tumatagal, nare-realize natin na may malalim na message ang gusto iparating sa atin ng kwento na yun.
Okay. Sa tingin mo, anong pinaka-main message ng kwento?
For me, it's about true love and sacrifice na kung saan ready mo ibigay lahat para sa taong mahal mo kahit wala nang matira sa'yo.
Which character do you relate the most, Jim or Della?
Mas kay Della siguro kasi emotional siya and mabilis siyang magdesisyon about sa love. For me, I think mas maraming student ang makaka-relate sa kwento nila.
Okay. If you were put in their positions, would you sacrifice something for them?
I think, yes. Pero syempre, mahirap siya. Pero kung special talaga sa yung tao, kaya mo i-sacrifice lahat para sa kanya.
Okay. Why do you think this story is popular even if it's written a long time ago?
Kasi yung emotions and problems sila ay relatable pa rin ngayon. Kahit modern tayo, love and sacrifice are still very real.
Okay. Maparecommend mo ba tong kwento na to sa mga friends mo, sa pamilya mo, o kanino man?
Yes, kasi for sure, marami pa rin makaka-relate dito kahit yung mga estudyante. Kasi nagpapakita dito ng sacrifice and love para sa taong mahal mo.
Okay. Thank you for this very wonderful podcast, Angela. This has been fun. So both Angela and Maxine, we can see that the gift of Maggie is more than just a love story. It's a story about sacrifice, and I think that's what really matters in relationships. And that's why I think it's still popular to this day because everyone can relate to this story. That's it. Thank you. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for listening to our podcast and the discussion about the gift of Maggie. I hope you enjoyed our video. Yeah, amen. Tama. Ma-recommend mo ba tong kwento na... Uy, tumataway ka! Sama kayo sa bloopers. Tulad.